Hello, hola, konnichiwa. Look what I got here. It's a lucky bag and it's a 2021 lucky bag. So it's the premium Nemu Nemu animals. And as you, Nemu Nemu, it's like sleepy sleepy. And all the items that are inside are items that will help you sleep better. So let's see what we got in here. The first item is a 5-way blanket that smells 5-way blanket Nemu Nemu Animal Aroma Relax, and it smells amazing, like lavender and some other herbs, maybe to help you fall asleep easier. Let's see. I don't think we'll be able to figure out how many ways it has, but it has like a couple of buttons. Has this nice little hoodie thing here. We put it on. Oh my god, this is so cute. Ooh, and it even covers the eyes, so maybe you can sleep with this. This is so nice. Okay, item number 2. It's a plushy polar bear probably, and it says here that you can put it in the microwave for 40 seconds, and it has a like a bean button here, beads at the bottom that warm up. And yeah, I'm so excited. Sorry, I was shaking my leg. But yeah, this is so super cute. So plushy. The next item is a small seal that you can also put in the microwave, and you can use it to warm up your hands. Look at this. Isn't it cute? Oh my god, I love it. Let's see what else we got. This is a mat for the floor mat that features a sloth. Isn't that perfect for relaxing? Ooh, cute. And the last item on the bag is a ceramic humidifier. Let's spend comfortable time, it says here. And let's open it up. Comes with a plate. And here it is. A ceramic humidifier. You put, the instructions say that you put some warm water in it and it would help humidify your room. So yeah, that's it for the lucky bag of 2021 that I managed to find for myself. I wanted to go for something different, and I thought this was really cute, so I just went for it. I hope you have a nice beginning of the year and a really nice 2021. We know that 2020 was kind of rough, but things will get better this year. And well, thank you for watching, and if you liked it, sayonara and subscribe. Bye!